Everybody, today I'm working on a small canvas. It's just a 6x6 and I'm going to be doing an experiment with the DecoArt Satin Enamel, and it's pure white. I've got a whole cup. Not using a whole cup on this painting, but I did want to make up a whole cup. Anyway, so I've got two little cups and I'm going to be doing a kiss pour using the satin enamel. The colors that I'm going to be using in the cup, besides the white, I've got this one here, and that is bronze from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. I've got copper also from DecoArt, and then in my bottle I have phthalo turquoise, and that is from the Fine Touch. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to just start with a little bit of the white satin enamel in the bottom of the cup. And all my paints are mixed with floetrol, Liquitex pouring medium, and a little bit of water. Okay, my next color is going to be bronze. Now I do have a tendency of using a little too much paint at times, so actually I'm gonna, yeah, I'll do it this way, I suppose. So I'm gonna try to cut it back just a touch because I do use too much sometimes. Alright, now I'm gonna put the turquoise next. And now a little bit more white. I've had some success with the satin enamel with the cloud effect, so I thought I would try it using a kiss pour and see how that works out. Alright, now I'm going to use I'm trying not to use too much copper because this was from a previous pour and my copper was a little thick. And if you watched it, you saw that it kind of took over, which is okay. I mean, I do like copper, so no big whoop. Okay, so a little bit more white. Oh, I'm not even in there. There we go. And I did not add any silicone or alcohol to the paints. Okay, move this stuff out of the way a bit. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to flip them around. Well, actually, yeah, I'm going to flip them like this. And these are a little hard to bend, so I'm just going to try to bend it kind of a little bit like that. There we go. Alright, here we go. Now you got to make sure with the kiss pour that they are touching when they come out. So there we go. Now I'm going to swirl it around just a bit. I still think I ended up with too much paint on here, but we're going to swirl it anyway. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go over it with my torch. I don't know if this is going to do anything. There's not really any air bubbles there, but just in case, so. Okay guys, so I'll take in for a close-up. This one turned out really good. The colors blended really nice, and there's just a touch of copper, so it didn't really take over on this one like my last big one did. But you can see that it was trying to do the cloud effect. I think because it was a smaller canvas and I did have a little bit more paint on it, that I didn't really get to move it around as much as I would like, or maybe too much, because I was trying to get some of that paint off there. But anyway, I still like it nonetheless. I think it looks really, really pretty, and I like these colors together. And while I was letting that one sit for a bit, I went ahead and made this little 4x4 canvas with those colors, and it turned out really, really pretty. I love this color combination. Alright, so I'm going to let both of these dry, and then I will be back to show you then. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here it is all dry. I didn't get quite the effects I was hoping to get, I think because either too much paint or too small of a canvas. So I'm going to try it again on a bigger canvas, so be on the lookout for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that, and hit the bell. That way when I do upload new videos, you get notified. Alright, and there's the little one that I had done. I put it on a little easel, and I turned that one also. I liked it better that way. Alright, so there they both are. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.